I've had quite a lot of questions after I shared how to make this Christmas cracker design as day 20 for the Christmas craft countdown, and those questions are mostly about these snaps which I put into the cracker to make a noise when they go bang. So I thought I'd do a really quick video just to show what a snap is, so you kind of know what you're looking for. I didn't realise that they'd be so hard to find if you're not in the UK. In the UK, Christmas crackers are a big tradition for Christmas time, and the crackers contain a snap which makes it go bang when it's pulled. And these work by having some little chemicals in this middle section, and then it's got two ends of almost like paper or thin cardstock on the end. And when they're pulled apart, the chemicals react with each other and it makes a bang. So I'm going to give that a try now. So just, it will make a little bang. So just guard your eardrums. So I'm going to pull it from either side. So hopefully you heard that. That's the noise that our crackers make when they go off because of that bang. Now, I bought all of these on Amazon. It's a bag of, I think there's 100 in there. It might be 50. I paid about £8 for them. But it does look like you can't really get them in other countries. But the best thing is with these crackers, you can leave the snaps out and they'll still pull absolutely fine. And you can just leave them out. So you'll have these gaps. You could fill those in if you wanted to using the contour tool in Cricut Design Space. So then you wouldn't have the gaps, it wouldn't notice or look like anything's missing. But if you have got them, so we've just sort of placed them in so it's held in place. And I'm going to pull this one now just by myself so that you can hear the noise it makes when it goes bang. And the noise it makes is one of these cracker snaps being pulled apart. It is quite difficult to pull a cracker by yourself. Normally you would do it with two people. So bear with me if it takes me a little moment just to get this pulled. Okay, so you heard it bang then as it was pulled. If you look at the bit that pulled apart, you see there's the half of the cracker snap that was attached in that section. So then the person who managed to get this section when they pulled it, they're the winner. They get to keep whatever is inside. And usually with our Christmas crackers in the UK, you get a little gift inside. So I've got my Lego minifigure that I added in. Normally with shop bought crackers, it's like a little piece of plastic rubbish, but I put a nice good thing in the middle, so I've got my Lego minifigures. And then you also get a joke, and kind of the point of these is that they're really, really terrible. So this one is, how do sheep greet each other at Christmas? Merry Christmas to you. Where you is like the sheep. I told you it was going to be bad. And then you also get a little party hat. These are very thin kind of tissue paper hats, which then everyone usually puts on when we're eating our Christmas dinner. Again, I bought these rather than make them. They're really cheap to buy. I got 100 for about £5, all different colours. So it just opens up into your crown to wear on your head at Christmas. So there we go. I hope that helps to explain a little bit more about what a Christmas cracker is, and also what I mean when I'm talking in the tutorial about the snap or the bang. And if you want to have a go at making your own Christmas crackers, I will drop the link to the tutorial in the description of this video, and also to where you can go to buy the SVG to create them. The tutorial explains how to add the names and how to make the whole design. And yeah, so there we go. That was my little explanation of how to make a Christmas cracker and what is a Christmas cracker snap that makes them go bang. Thank you for watching. Bye!